So what is up everybody, we are back with another video, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Turbo has been doing. As we all know, we recently just saw a crash with Turbo. It was down like 25% in just a single day. Now it's kind of climbing back up back around 10% in the daily. So we're going to be taking a look at what we are seeing so far with the graphs and the price and what we could see next. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo, and it is up around almost 10% in the daily. At around 0.20 all sixes. So our market cap is at about $435 million and volume at $176 million. So volume is pretty decent. Again, we were a lot lower in the previous days where Turbo was dipping, but now we are coming back up at around $175 million, so which is also good to see in Turbo. We went just below that 0.206 range, and then we are back. We did go back to the 0.2068 range. So in the weekly, we are still down about 14%. We did go up to about 0.209, so we did go closer to a penny again and then just dumped back down. If we do take a look at the graph, this is the graph we're looking at. We could see the big red candle in the daily, the two big red candles, and now we are seeing this green candle and this a little bit of a red candle. If we look at how far we come, if we just compare this, we could see we did go up around 15%. I'm just looking at the top to bottom because I really can't see the wick because of this line, but 15% we are back up from the previous dip. And then if we look at the current price, we are back around 10%, which is again still pretty good, but could have done a lot better as well. But if we do take a look at the graph that Turbo overall long term is forming, we could see this is the line that Turbo, this is the support line which Turbo is at. Even if we look at another line, the pattern that Turbo has been playing out in the top, this is what we see basically happening with Turbo right now. Overall in the long term, we are seeing this this support line that we do regularly see. We saw it hit one time here, then we saw it again right here, just trading at this line, and then went up, bounced back up to new all-time highs, and we are back at that line once again. Maybe we could have traded along this line for a bit and then head off and break this line over here. So that could be also happening with Turbo very soon. So overall, even in the long-term graph, it still looks very solid. Again, nothing out of the blue. We did cover what was happening with Turbo with the lower dips, as we have been talking about in the previous couple of videos. So I'm not gonna go over it again, but just quick overview that every time we do see a new all-time high, we see the first dump, and then when we see the second dump, it is usually lower than the first dump. It has repeated this pattern multiple times in the past and did it once again, so I'm not really surprised what Turbo is doing at the moment. And also another factor was the Trump coin that was recently doing really good. It has, I believe, had a crazy pullback. Let's see what it's doing. So $32 again, has 30% down in the daily, still up around in the weekly, but still back down. So if we do take a look at Turbo, if we look at what the community is saying on this coin, we're still 92% positive. Trump may have all the attention right now, but Turbo will continue to grind and grow. Turbo, for people complaining, you knew the risk when you invested in a meme, especially a mid-cap meme, so why are you crying? I don't get it. Losing money is hard, but still we don't lose anything if we don't sell. Have faith in the green days are coming. Just God hold strong in this storm. Turbo about to explode to the upside. Buy the dip, it's the only way. Long-term project idea, name, narrative, everything strong. We see also some people are bearish on this coin as well, so kind of mixed reviews in the market right now. Just overall looking at what Turbo has been doing, even in the crypto market, we could see Bitcoin is up. So daily everything is kind of back up. Some are still in the red, but daily Turbo is up around almost more than 10% actually. If we do take a look at the high, but still doing pretty good in the daily. I am still bullish. I also buy more now. Zoom out, and this is a good level to add more long-term bullish with this community. So again, almost the same chart that we did look at. This bottom line is still forming, and if we do take a look at the long term, every time it has hit this line, it has bounced back up like crazy. So again, holding strong on the monthly chart. The general trend is still up, bullish. Don't sell, buy more, soon will go up, stay calm. So again, almost all the comments are bullish, also some are bearish as well. So that is just how the market works. Some people are bullish on this coin. Actually, most people are bullish on this coin as of right now, and some people are also bearish. So that is their own personal opinion. Again, this is not financial advice. Do make sure to do your own research first before getting into any of these meme coins. This is a highly risky market out there, but even though we are still looking at a lot of mixed reviews in the market, if we do take a look at their Twitter, 107k followers, we could see Turbo a new beginning. Global acceptance of meme coins is upon us, and the future has never looked brighter. Join us for amazing 2025. They have a tons of good art on their page, and a Trump token is also live on a Turbo swap, so you could swap your Trump for Turbo if you did back out of Turbo and invested in Trump. Now that Trump is back down, if you do want to swap your Trump for Turbo, you could also do that as well. So again, another good thing about Turbo is that it has its own chain. If you don't know already, Turbo is now has its own chain, which is called the Turbo chain, and you could head over to turboswap.org to do this. We could see you could swap any of your coins like Millennia and Trump for Turbo, which is really easy to do, and these collaborations are really future proofing Turbo right now. And another fact is that it's listed on 115 plus spot exchanges. Is a really huge deal for Turbo. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, all of these are tier 1 and even smaller exchanges, which is really good. We saw the Near Protocol and Aurora Labs collaborating to give Turbo its own chain, which was another good thing about Turbo just recently. So overall, still looking very good in the long term. Again, this is not a short-term play, just a quick pump and dump. Definitely takes time, and it is just a matter of patience. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what it is doing. It kind of back up about 10% in the daily, so not high numbers, but still holding on. So if you do want to stay updated on a Turbo, stay tuned to the channel, hit the thumbs up button, and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.